can't. This dog and owner win Halloween. Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be watching the cutest Halloween animal costumes. I'm so excited for this because I love Halloween and I love dressing up the dogs. Many of you know I just recently threw a Halloween dog costume party at my house with all of my friends and it was so much fun. We had almost 30 dogs at our house dressed up as all sorts of cuteness. And even for today, my dogs are dressed up as well. Coconut's a cute little pumpkin and Blueberry is Fluffy from Harry Potter. If you like these kind of videos, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe, it's free, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Alright, now without further ado, let's watch some adorable pet costumes. I am ready. I even made a video a couple years ago of pet costumes for you and your dog. I'll put a link down below in this video if you want to check that one out. Blueberry and Coconut helped me. It was a lot of fun. Alright, let's get going. Somebody is cutting pool noodles and they've got a little Kraft mac and cheese. Oh my gosh, it's like a doggy cone, but it is a bowl of Kraft mac and cheese. It even has a fork. The little pool noodles are the noodles. That's really creative and really cute. Oh, and look at that, right when he tilts his head, they all pour out just like noodles. Oh no, spilled noodles. This next video, these dogs are siblings and apparently they've got matching costumes. So let's check it out. They're pandas. Oh my gosh. And bears. And penguin. I love these kinds of costumes. I love the costumes that are on the front half of their bodies, like the little pandas, and it makes them look like little teddy bears or pandas running at you. It's so cute. I don't know who invented those costumes, but I think they're pretty adorable. Now, these same two dogs look like they are in a stroller. There's a bunch of bones, and instead of Game of Thrones, it's Game of Bones. This is creative. This is taking it to a whole new level. And the dogs, they kind of look like two little Targaryens. Oh my gosh, and the owner is Khaleesi. How cute. I feel like it's a missed opportunity. Mike, now what this is giving me, I want to dress up my dogs. And instead of Mother of Dragons, Mother of Dogs. Now for this clip, I can only see the first frame, but I'm already saying it's adorable. I see a little doggy leg and I see a little boot. He's wearing shoes, very fashion, and some denim. Okay, we got jeans and a little flannel shirt and a cowboy hat. This is a country dog. Oh, Mike, and he's got a little Corona and it's like a little one. Look at his little hat. This is the cutest little cowboy hat. My dogs hate hats. I'm always impressed when someone can get a dog to wear a hat. Oh my gosh, and he's standing up like a little people. I love it. This next costume is one of those ones we were just talking about that are like on the front of the body, and he looks like, is he a little elf? What is he? Oh, and he's not used to it. Oh. He's like on one leg because he's like, what is this? I don't know what am I wearing? I like that he's just like this and he's just standing there floating. Oh no, and the cat's like, what is he doing? The costume disguise is so good that the cat doesn't even recognize that it is his dog friend. The one leg is killing me. Why is he doing that? Now from cute to spoopy. It's from Stranger Things and it is amazing. I always thought that these creatures look like puppy dogs. They look like alien dogs. And so this is a perfect idea for your pet this year. What are they called? Demogorgons? Doggies? This is a doggy gorgon and I approve. I can't tell if this costume is handmade or it's bought at the store, but either way, this dog is rocking it. Look at him, looks like a little Demogorgon. Next costume video, I'm just seeing a piece of fabric with holes cut out and I'm like, he's probably gonna be, he's a spooky ghost. And it's so simple and it's so cute. And look at him standing there just being a good boy. Oh, good boy. Sometimes the most simple costumes are perfect. They're the best. Ooh, for this video, the owners made a music video with their dog and he's wearing different costumes. Okay, he's starting off as a little devil, which sometimes my dogs can be, and now he's a little pumpkin. And now little devil shaking his booty, and now little pumpkin. Oh, look at the eyes at night. by the water. He's at Spirit Halloween store. Oh my gosh, yes, he's in the Spirit Halloween store. He loves it. He's checking out costumes for next year. He's like, what am I gonna be next year? This year I was a pumpkin and a devil, but what about next year? We gotta go shopping. I love these owners. You can tell they really love their dog. They took the time to make this whole music video for him. I think he's even on the wall in this room. I'm just noticing it now, but I think there's a mural of him painted on the wall. Okay, I have some pictures of the dogs around the house, but I don't have a mural on the wall. I think this is a new goal. Oh my gosh, it's a little hamster and he's dressed up like a little bunny rabbit. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. And I think it's a small hamster. I think these are dwarf hamsters because I had 2 dwarf hamsters growing up and they were the same colors, kind of the gray on the top with the white furry bottoms. I know he's an elf. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's a little witch. How do you even make costumes this small? It looks like they made it out of felt and some string. He's even got little itty bitty glasses and his little spell book. And Gryffindor, the Gryffindor scarf on the ground. This is so cute and adorable. And I love that people are dressing up their hamsters for Halloween. Speaking of other animals, we have a duck. Dressed up like Five Nights at Freddy's. Oh, has arms. Okay, a duck with arms. I have never seen this. Whoa, that would be wild if ducks had arms. I'm just thinking about it now and they look really natural actually. Look at him running around. He looks like that's natural, like ducks should have arms. Look at him go, he's so cute. No way, we've got Halloween costumes for lizards. Let me see it. He's a shark. He's a witch. Oh, I love the witch outfit. Pikachu. So cute. I dressed my dogs up as Pikachu just the other year. Oh, look at him. He's got aloha vibes. He's got his lei. He's got a little skirt. That is so cute. The beard is killing me. I mean, a lizard with a beard? A wizard beard? I can't say that I've ever seen a lizard in a costume either, and I have to say, adorable. Oh no. A dog dressed as Chucky. I used to watch all of these movies when I was growing up, all the Child's Play movies, and they were so scary then, they're scary now, and it's still scary. Even a cute, adorable dog, which I love puppies, but with Chucky running at you, even as a dog, super scary. Perfect for Halloween. Oh my gosh, he even has his little knife and the hair, the Chucky hair. Oh, I hate and love this costume. I hate it because it's creeping me out. It's scary. And I also love it because it's great. It's creeping me out. It's scary. Oh my gosh, what animal is dressed up here? I see hooves. Is it a sheep? Is it a llama? Is it an alpaca? I still don't, alpaca, llama? Camel? Nope. It's a, what are you? Please let me know, you guys. Is this an alpaca or a llama? It's a scarecrow. Look at his little hat. Okay, we've got a little clock and oh, he's the Tin Man and the lion, all from Wizard of Oz. Oh, this is so great. Now this takes costumes to a whole new level. When you not only dress your pet up, but you have multiple pets and you make them match, it's like, I call it the whole family costume. So they did a family costume with their pets and I'm a big fan. This is now my favorite, the family situation. We had Dorothy, Toto, we had the Scarecrow, the Lion, and the Tin Man. The next one, Mike is giggling. So he's like, this is funny. All right, so I see a door. So let's open it up. Let's see. Okay, Romeo, this dog is dressed up. He has like a suit on with a rose and a bow tie and his little glasses. He looks like he's about to take you out on a date. Hello. Oh, where do you want to go tonight for dinner? Mike, he's so cute. This is the suavest dog I've ever seen. He's even got one ear down, so he's like, hey, I'm put together, but like, I'm also really cool. I recognize this one immediately. This is a classic. This is when you dress up your dog as a spider and they run around and it scares people. This is iconic. This is so good. Oh, I don't know who came up with this, but this would spook anybody. People are so scared of spiders. Oh, and he's hiding in the elevator. Oh, and it looks like a giant spider. Those girls are out of here. They are running for their lives. Oh my gosh. This is how they should do haunted houses. They should just set up the haunted houses and then let dogs free with these spider costumes on. All right, that was a blast from the past and I love it. If you haven't seen Spider Dog running around and scaring everybody, you've missed out. Go Google it right now. Okay, this one looks like a DIY costume at home. Oh, perfect Ninja Turtles. Oh, that's so smart. You can just tape it around and give them a little mask. Oh, the purple turtle. Who is that? Michelangelo, Donatello, Raphael, and Leonardo. Leonardo?
Donatello.
It's Donatello?
It's purple.
Dang it, I got it wrong. Oh, that is the one missed opportunity. To complete the costume, they should have given him a big stick. Oh, but it's so cute. He is adorable. Oh, good boy. All right, this video is another reveal. We've got a door with a cute little bell, and I can't wait to see what's inside. All right, open it up, Mike. Let me see. Oh my God. It's a chicken, a hen, a rooster. I don't know birds. Again, I'm not great, but that is Winifred. Winifred Sanderson. Hocus Pocus is one of my favorite movies of all time. And look at this. They made her hair out of like little yarn and gave her cool cape, and it's green. Iconic. So this video is a guy hanging out with his pug, but he said that his dog doesn't like costumes. So, but he's so cute in them. Look at him. He's a little UPS. He's a little deliverer. Oh, he's got the package, but he doesn't want it. Okay, now he's a bumblebee. Oh, he's so cute as a bee. Busy bee. Oh, he's trying to rub it off. He's like, no, I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay, you don't like the bee. What about a lion? Oh yeah, because then it's just kind of like a scarf. Maybe he'll like that. Oh, not so much. The next video, I can only see the first frame, and I think it's the best dog costume I've ever seen in my life. It's a bulldog in one of those fortune-telling booths like that you see at carnivals or fairs, and you put in a coin and it will read or give you your fortune. And this dog is just, I mean, they fully built the whole thing for him, and they're rolling him around, and this bulldog is rocking it. This bulldog looks like he was made for this. Oh my gosh, you even turn it and treats come out, and he gets little treats. That's it. This is the most creative. Oh my gosh, he has his own card. I can't. The card even has a bulldog on it, and it has your fortune or your wishes on the back. This dog and owner win Halloween. All right, that does it for all of the cute animal costume videos that we found. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love watching these videos. My favorite one, you guys know, is the fortune teller. I thought that was absolutely incredible. Let me know in the comments down below which costume was your favorite, and if you want to see more dog Halloween costumes, I'm going to link down below to a video I made a little bit ago, and I am dressing up me and the dogs as a costume unit, like a family unit, to give you some more Halloween dog costume ideas for you and your pet. This video is one of my favorite videos that I've ever made. We have so many cute costume ideas. I'll put some pictures up here. Boop, 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 boop. We did Scooby and Shaggy. We did Hagrid and Fluffy, Elwoods and Bruiser from the movie Legally Blonde. Basically, I came up with so many Halloween costume ideas for you and your pup. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you like this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe, it's free, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. And if you'd like to watch any other videos, click up here or up here.